Most people waste hundreds on train tickets without even knowing it. Here's the truth. Cheap seats are right in front of you, but almost nobody books them the right way. Ever tried to book a train ticket and thought, why is this so expensive? That's not an accident. Ticket prices change based on demand, booking time, and the platform you use. But here's the twist. If you know where and when to look, you'll never pay full price again. And the trick most travelers miss? It has nothing to do with coupons. If you change where and when you search, you change what you pay. Here's the first hack. Don't wait until the last minute. But also, don't book a year ahead. For most routes, the sweet spot is 4 to 8 weeks in advance. That's when rail companies quietly release their cheapest seats. Don't miss that window. It's where the lowest fares hide. You'll rarely get the absolute lowest price outside that timing. Second hack, skip the big flashy travel apps. They charge service fees. Go straight to the official railway site, or local platforms like Trainline in Europe, or IRCTC in India. You'll often see the same seat at 10–20% less. And sometimes, the global sites don't even show the cheapest class. Third hack, flexibility is your wallet's best friend. If you can travel mid-week instead of weekends or during off-peak hours, you'll see instant drops in price. Same train, different time, half the cost. Flexibility saves money and stress. On my last trip, I was about to pay $80 for a seat from Paris to Amsterdam. By shifting my departure to the next morning, the same ticket dropped to $29. Same seat, different timing. That's the power of flexibility. Here's a secret most people never hear: split ticketing. Instead of booking one long route, buy 2 or 3 smaller segments. You stay on the same train, but the combined tickets can cost 30–40% less. It feels like a glitch, but it's 100% legal. Last hack, let technology work for you. Apps like TrainPal, Trainline, or even Google Flights for trains set price alerts. You get notified the second fares drop. That means you book first while everyone else pays full price. So here's the playbook. 1. Book in the 4 to 8 week sweet spot. 2. Use local sites to dodge fees. 3. Travel off-peak. 4. Try split ticketing. 5. Set alerts and let tech do the heavy lifting. Follow these steps and you'll never overpay for train tickets again. Here's the truth. The system is designed so casual travelers overpay and insiders save. Now you're an insider. Stick around for my next video where I'll reveal the hidden mistake that costs travelers even more. Subscribe so you don't miss it.